comes first.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Beth Farnsworth. We begin this evening with an ongoing concern about efforts to control the coronavirus, even with thousands of people in our area fully vaccinated. News Channel 3 senior reporter John Palmentary joins us live. John, there's a slowdown in the demand for shots now.
What was expected to be the rush to get vaccinated, long lines, and counties fighting to get their fair share of doses has turned out to be a surplus of the vaccine in Santa Barbara County and many appointment openings.
Vaccine appointments are widely available throughout our county, and many of these clinics are now offering walk-ups.
When the Central Coast was waiting for the COVID vaccine to be developed and distributed, there was a cry of urgency. Now that it's here,
we have an abundance of vaccine appointments and are also experiencing a decrease in demand. As such, we flex the number of vaccines that we are ordering.
Santa Barbara County supervisors say they have to get more detailed demographic information about who is getting their shots, who is not, and why.
We have to get, I think, into the persuasion business and convince people that it's safe and important to do so.
I want us to disclose that more to the public so that we might be able to really all do a better job to reach out to our friends, neighbors.
In addition to the larger vaccination clinics at the Hilton Beachfront Resort and Goleta Valley Cottage Hospital, this week there will be special clinics at UC Santa Barbara, in Carpinteria, Lompoc, and Goleta. Even though for weeks we've shown you a steady stream of people going into these clinics to get their vaccinations, the county says 53% of the population has yet to get shot number one.
If you compare it with what we need to get to stamp out the pandemic, then they are wholly insufficient.
We have a challenge going ahead. The rate of vaccination is slowing. Our supply is dramatically increased to the point now where we have plenty of vaccine. There is really no reason for somebody to not be able to get vaccinated.
And there's still a nervous sense of taking a victory lap too soon.
We don't have to look very far around the world to see that this virus is far from contained.
You can expect to see a number of community service messages coming out from the Public Health Department in addition to what they're already doing, which is a big load every week. A lot of social media posts and just messages from friend to friend and employer to employee to get the word out about where these clinics are, how easy it is to get an appointment, and how important it is if that's what you want to do. Those clinics are open, the vaccine's there, and from what we're hearing is there's very little waiting to get it done. Reporting live in Santa Barbara, I'm John Palmentary, News Channel 3.
All right. Thank you so much for that, John. Santa Barbara County reported